Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one of the exciting assignment from class 9 and the topic animal tissues. So let us discuss one by one question. The first question, what is the functions of here? What are the functions of the connective tissue? So connective tissue name itself you can see that meaning of that tissue. Connective tissue is nothing but which is connecting that all the parts of the body. So let us discuss the first function of this connective tissue. Connective tissue binds together in the organs which are nothing but very helpful for the connecting of all the organs, and the connective tissue also provides that a framework, structural framework and a mechanical support to the different tissues, and it is also concerned with that of body defense mechanism, fat storage and the repair. If anything was happened to that of damage to the tissues, and the repairing is also done by the connective tissue. When it comes to that of the main functions of the connective tissue are binding, supporting and packing together to the different organs of the body. So binding, supporting and different parts, like whatever that the substances which has been prepared in the cells, that will be transferred to the of other parts of the body. So that is what the functions of the connective tissue. Let us go for that of next question. So what are the different types of connective tissues? As you can see here, loose connective tissue and adipose tissue and dense connective tissues. So where we can see the different types of tissues are areolar connective tissue, dense connective tissue, adipose connective tissue, skeletal tissue, fluid connective tissue. So skeletal tissue, as you can see that which is nothing but here tendon and the ligament. So ligament, tendon, bone, one more it is also there, bone. All these are the types of the skeletal tissues. Where it comes to that of fluid connective tissue is blood. So areolar connective tissue, as we can see that which are loose connective tissues and dense connective tissue, adipose tissue, skeletal tissues, fluid connective tissues are the major types of the connective tissues. Let us go for that of our next question. So the next question is, what is areolar connective tissue? Which is areolar connective tissue is a widely distributed connective tissue which is present in the animal body, located in the skin. Areolar tissue binds the outer layers of the skin to the muscles which are lying underneath, and they are also found in the mucous membrane, and they are also found in the surroundings of the nerves, blood vessels and all the other body organs. So these are the very important parts where it is mucous membrane and the nerve endings, surroundings of the nerves and the blood vessels and the other parts. So the binding which is done by the DOFA here by the areolar connective tissues. So next will be go for the DOFA next. So the next question is, dash is a yellow elastic fibrous tissue which connects two bones. So two bones which are first option tendon, and the second one is ligament, and the third one is cartilage, and the fourth one is 1 and 3 options they have given. So the answer it is ligament. So you can simply remember that the ligament, mostly the students will be confused regarding this ligament and the tendon. So like to like, as you can remember. So ligament you can see that connects that two bones. So similar ones, like to like. Okay. So let us go for that of the next question. Here you can find out the differences. Dash is a strong in elastic structure that joins the skeletal muscles to bone. So the answer it is tendon and the cartilage and the ligament, both 2 and 3. The answer it is a tendon. Okay. So here what is the tendon? Tendon which is connects that muscle to bones. So there will be tendon is for two types, where we can find that the ligament is the same, bone to bone. Here tendon it is muscle to bone. So as you can remember that ligament is like to like, whereas the tendon is here for the two types. So like that you can remember. Let us go for that of next question. So the next question it is, dash tissue serves as a fat reservoir. The options they have given, areolar tissue, epithelial tissue and the adipose tissue, muscular tissue. So the answer it is adipose tissue, which is present beneath the stomach, okay, and it is also very useful for the heat insulator, just like that way, okay. So that's all for this assignment. Thank you.